How to create a pin on Pinterest. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. So now first you open the Pinterest app. Once you open the app, for example, I like this picture, you click on the picture you like, you click on save and it will go on your profile. Then you go back and click on the profile icon on the right. Once you click on that, click on the image or hold the image like this and click on the pencil icon. Once you do that, click on board. Your profile is there, click on that and choose the option of create board. Once you do that, you can name your board that you created for the picture that you pinned. Here I did cars and I click on create on the top right and then click on done. Once you do that, the picture will be updated in its own folder. Right now it's not loading, but let me just refresh it and click on it, and here you will see the car option came. So this is how you pin your own picture. You can even add it in the add option here. You can add your own picture on Pinterest and you can click on that and add it to your pinned pictures. So if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.